Anshuman Joshi. I'm the chairman of the Anwar Shah Group, and we are actually working on the revival of Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank. So fortunately we got the opportunity. It's a wonderful opportunity to work, towards the interest of the people, towards the interest of the depositors and the shareholders of the bank. We see a great scope in Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank. Unfortunately, due to our unfortunate circumstances, the license of the banking for Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank was cancelled somewhere last year. And it's very unfortunate to know that. But unfortunately, since that has happened, there is a lot of, legal angles to it. So basically, our legal team has been working on it closely to make sure that we are able to eventually get this sorted for the shareholders. So there's a group of shareholders who wants us to go ahead and revive the bank, And in the interest of the depositors and shareholders, if you're aware of this, that in the cases of mergers and all of that, there's basically a haircut which has been given to depositors, which is also happening in the recent case of, several banks which are under the process of amalgamation, So what we are looking at is, I can tell you this, with this revival, there is not going to be any haircut to the depositors, so they're not going to lose any money. And the second benefit to the depositors and the shareholders is actually this, that the bank has sufficient assets. So unfortunately, the license of banking which was cancelled incorrectly. So constitutionally, if you look at, and as per the principles of accounting, the valuation of the assets of non-banking and banking assets of the bank should have been calculated. Unfortunately, while the license of banking was cancelled by the RBI, by the Reserve Bank of India, they did not look at the actual valuation of the assets which were basically part of the bank. So the calculation of the net worth, which was basically done by them at that point in time during their inspection, was not done correctly. Because if they would have correctly, calculated the net worth, then the net worth of the bank would have been much in positive, Unfortunately, at that time, those days, what they did was the negative net worth came down to negative 32 crores, So due to which they eventually issued a show cause notice and eventually cancelled the license as per the BR Act.
So taken over.
So this is the one. There are about 30 banks altogether across the country that we're working on, and we are working on eventually amalgamating all those banks without loss to the depositors to make a commercial bank in the near future. But that process will take a few years.
So
right
this is
now,
not just one bank.
no, this
So
is not
around
just one.
30 banks
All across the country, yes. So there are 30 banks all across the country, good banks, bad banks, everything, sick banks, everything. So all of them we are working on, we're bringing them together, forming them into one single institution, and hopefully we personally feel that we would like Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank to be the parent bank for all those banks, or I would say the holding company and the holding bank for all those banks.